What FAFSA terminology is most confusing? Ever looked at your FAFSA form and felt like you needed a translator? You're not alone. Many students and families find certain terms tricky to understand. Let's break down some of the most confusing words and phrases so you can navigate your financial aid journey smoothly. First up is the FAFSA submission summary. This is a document that shows what you reported on your FAFSA form. It includes your estimated eligibility for federal grants and loans, your student aid index, and whether your information needs verification. Remember, this is not your financial aid offer from the school. It's just a summary of what you submitted. Next is the student aid index, which used to be called the expected family contribution. This number is calculated from your FAFSA data and shows how much your family is expected to contribute toward college costs. The change to student aid index was made to simplify things, and some students can even have a negative number, meaning they might qualify for more aid than the actual cost of attendance. It's a bit complex because it involves family income, assets, and household size. Then there's the cost of attendance, or COA. This is the total amount it costs to go to school for 1 year. It includes tuition, fees, housing, food, books, supplies, and personal expenses. Students often think it's what they will pay out of pocket, but it's really just an estimate of total expenses. Your actual costs might be less or more depending on your situation. Verification is another confusing term. It's a process where the financial aid office checks that the information you provided on your FAFSA is accurate. Sometimes they ask for extra documents like tax returns. This can delay your aid because you need to send in the paperwork quickly. If you don't, your aid might be reduced or delayed. The FSA ID is the username and password you need to sign your FAFSA electronically. Many students don't realize they need one until they start the process, which can cause delays. It's important to create your FSA ID early so you're ready to go. The Master Promissory Note is a legal agreement where you promise to repay your federal student loans. You must sign this before the loan money is sent to your school. Many students don't realize how important this step is or when it happens. The IRS Data Retrieval Tool is a feature that lets you import your tax information directly from the IRS into your FAFSA. It makes filling out the form easier and reduces errors. Some students aren't aware of it or hesitate to use it, but it can save you a lot of time. Family size and dependency status are also tricky. FAFSA asks for your family size to determine your aid eligibility. It also asks if you are dependent or independent. This affects whose financial info you report. If your family situation is complicated, these definitions can be confusing. Lastly, students often mix up grants and scholarships. Both are gift aid that doesn't need to be paid back. Grants are usually based on financial need, while scholarships are often based on merit or other criteria. Knowing the difference can help you understand what you're eligible for and how to apply. Understanding these terms helps you fill out your FAFSA correctly and avoid delays. It also helps you better understand your financial aid offers. Knowing what each term means makes the whole process less stressful and more manageable.